YouTube family. What is going on with everyone today, man? Hey, new day, new blessings, man. Hey, welcome to the channel and welcome back to all the OGs of the channel, man. Hey, it is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today. Another unboxing, man. Hey, are y'all tired of the unboxings yet? Or y'all like the unboxings? It gives content to the channel, but your boy has to pick it up with the own feats and reviews. Cause I know that's why a lot of y'all are here to see those reviews as well as those on feats and lace swaps, man. So hey, we're gonna be picking back up that ball. I always tell y'all, but hey, trust me, it's coming. Thank y'all for rocking out, man. If this is your first time stopping through checking out any other family's content, or you are a returning visitor, go ahead, man, join the family that we have, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button. We are on the road to 50K, grinding to get that, man. So thank y'all in advance, man. I appreciate everybody hitting that like button for your boy. Go ahead and do that real quick. Take a quick second, hit that like button for your boy, man. But today, hey, man, y'all see the unions in the background, man. I just got a little decoration, man. But today, y'all, we do have a unboxing, bro. I said, hey, let me jump on these shoes and grab them before the price goes up on them, because I know that their price is gonna go up, man. So your boy went ahead and put that trigger over on GOAT. I purchased them on September 21st. Today is the 29th, and what, 8 days, or it's the 30th. I'm tripping. My days is way off. It's October 1st. So what is that, roughly about 10 days or so it took to get here, man. But hey, we got them, so let's go ahead and check out what we got, man. Appreciate that, UPS, y'all right on time, man. I appreciate that. Bam, cardboard box. Hey, boxes are good. Boxes are good, man. Let me grab my box cutter real quick. Cut it open and see what we got, man. Your boy, yeah. I'm always excited to get new shoes, man, but curious to see how these gonna look and which one, wink, I'm gonna like better. So let me know down below what y'all think your boy picked up, man. Like I said, this is a shoe that has released. I don't think it's gonna be releasing again, and it does have another version to this shoe. Yeah, but popping open the box. Oh man, having troubles. Damn, bro. Whew. We got a crisp box, man. Your boy loves to see a crisp box. Ain't nothing like a crisp box, man. But yes, boy. Yes. Y'all like, man, hurry up and show the damn shoe, bro. Bam. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Y'all already know what time it is if y'all see what's going on behind me, man. But taking it out, we do get that GOAT packaging, y'all. We do get that GOAT packaging with the brown paper and all that stuff, man. But yes, this is bam. Very crisp box, man. It's actually better than my box that I got from for my off noise, but it's all good, man. But yo, man, taking a look at the size tag, man. It says Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. Colorway on this one is Guava Ice Baby. Yeah, that's the colorway. But nah, Guava Ice Light Fusion Red, man. So that is a size tag. These did retail for that $250 price point, and these are going up in price because, as you heard, this is a Union exclusive, man. Size 9 on these, and you do get your GOAT barcode, your signature GOAT barcode on this. But moment of truth, man. Let's see what we got, and hopefully I got my GOAT verification stuff with this, because I have been having issues with my GOAT verification stuff not being in the box. But I'm hearing because it was overseas, that's why I didn't get it. But let's check it out, man. No GOAT verification stuff, huh? So peeling back the lid, blue top, nothing no lot number, nothing, but we do get that same Jordan shoe paper that we had on the off Noahs, man, as y'all can see right there, man. And let's check them out real quick, man. Pull that back, pull this back, and bam, there we have them. And let me not speak too fast, because look what we got in here. Look what we got in here. So we do get a GOAT sticker. I'm sure that the verification card is somewhere in there, man. But let me take these things out real quick and check them. Oh yeah. Bang, there we go. So it is official now. It is official. We have been verified, but that still ain't enough for me. I need to do my own legit check on these, man. But ooh, different. Damn, different. Presentation. But ooh. 1 second. Bang! Yes, your boy went and grabbed the Air Jordan 4 Union off Noir, man. And yes, man, we got that set complete. Your boy had to grab these, man, because when I got the Air Jordan 1 Union, the Storm Blues, man, I had a chance. I had a chance to get the excuse me, y'all. I had a chance to get the black toe pair for, I think it was like $670, $650, somewhere in that price point, and your boy said that was too much. Do you know how much that shoe was going for right now, man? So I was like, hey, I can't let that happen to me with these. So your boy pulled the trigger before they run out of my reach, and I'd be like, I woulda, shoulda, coulda. So yes, man, take a look at them joints, man. Quick 360 look. Got that Nike Air on the back, and this is like a faded, like it's like almost a, I don't want to say a pink on the back, but it's like a faded red to where it's like lighter than your, you know what I'm saying? Like it's hard to explain, bro, but it's almost like a bubble gum, almost a bubble gum, and this is definitely a bubble gum paint that you do get on the shoe, man. So this is different, man. And it's crazy, y'all, because your boy is torn right now in between cutting this tongue and leaving it down, man. You know, I'm like, damn, should I cut the tongue? You know, but it's something that's unique. When it's down like this is a unique look. It's different, and it can't be reversed. I mean, it can if you want to resew it yourself, man, but I feel like it's gonna look tacky if I try to resew it myself, man. But I'm like, do I want to just leave it like this, the original unique way? Because I feel like that's what the majority is starting to do. They're starting to cut their tongues. So I'm like, damn, bro, do I just want to keep it like this, man? I don't know yet. Y'all let me know down below. Do y'all think I should cut the tongue, or should I just leave the tongue as is, man? Let me know. But yes, man, they come with the white laces. Are they white? They kind of sell like a dirty white, kind of very light, you know what I'm saying, dirty look. We got the yellow caging on the side, that Union tag, turn that around right there, bam, that Union tag as you can see. But yes, man, got those same like punch color, red on the waffle as well as blue on the top. This is dope, bro. And do I think that this is better than the black pair? Just wait on that, man. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'll probably do a comparison between both of them. But yes, taking a look at the right shoe, it does come with these yellow laces, which I don't know. I might, I'll throw them in there for the review, but I'm gonna actually have different colors other than the cell and the yellow. I'm gonna throw something unique in there, man. But yeah, man, y'all let me know y'all thoughts on these, man. That cell outsole. Let me know your thoughts on the guava ice unions, bro. But yeah, they're in the collection, man. Glad that I got these, and Y'all drop a like on the vid, man. Y'all stay tuned. I will have the review on feed coming soon to these, man. And yeah, man, we out of here, man. Your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy checking out with the Air Jordan 4 off Noir, man. Bruh. So till my next one, y'all. I'm gone, man. Oh yeah, we got the set now. We got the set, man. So let me know y'all thoughts. Which one y'all liking better, bro? I'm gone. Peace.
Yeah. Jay the Sneaker Guy, Jay the Sneaker Guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the Sneaker Guy, Jay the Sneaker Guy. Jay the Sneaker Guy, Jay the Sneaker Guy. Jay the Sneaker Guy, Jay the Sneaker Guy. Jay the Sneaker Guy.